Very easy subject. Okay, it is very easy subject or very easy stream. After 10th, people think there is maths in commerce. So there is a simple maths in commerce. No complex maths like mensuration, integration, differentiation, geometry, etc. Simple maths is there. That's why it is a very easy subject for you. Okay, so for commerce is very easy. Okay, so but when I say, so it is very interesting subject. When I say there is a accountancy test tomorrow, okay, mostly people say sir accountancy is very tough. So they try to take a leave application so that they can skip accountancy test. But for business study, they are ready. I know it is very in starting. It is very difficult to adapt the basic concepts of accounts, balance sheet, liability, financial statement, cash flow statement. But again, it is very easy. Okay, so commerce is not just book and examination. Commerce is happening everywhere in your day-to-day life. What day-to-day life? You are purchasing anything from online, whether it is from Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Shopsy, many e-commerce websites are there. So you are part of commerce. Each one of you, each one of us, part of commerce. We are purchasing online from on Amazon, so it is helping. It is happening because of commerce. You purchase any shirt, pant, whatever else. So you do payment online through UPI, debit card, net banking. Again, you are part of commerce. Okay, and you are getting delivery. So delivery system is also part of commerce. So each one of you are part of actually commerce. You cannot avoid commerce in your day-to-day life. Okay, so commerce is a very wonderful field. Accountancy teach you accountability, responsibility, accuracy. Business study teach you leadership, decision making, management, how to manage things. Right now you are managing this. You will learn how to coordinate, how to manage, how to plan, organize, coordinate, control, how to control the situation if anything is happening not according to your plan. So you will learn through all the subjects of commerce. Not commerce is only about accountancy. It includes accountancy, business study, economics also. Commerce is actually, we say that, Pathak sir say, commerce, economic is mother of commerce. Because commerce is a just small part of economics. So each subject of commerce is equally important. It teach you how will you live. Okay, so commerce again, if you go into career fields of commerce, doesn't mean only CA. There are more courses, there are more careers other than CA. You can become a businessman. You can become a teacher, manager, financial advisor, accountant. So more fields. It is very vast field. You can become an entrepreneur. So after becoming entrepreneur, you can go on management, top level management. So many of you can go on high level position. When you go on high level position, then you will have great responsibility. Great responsibility. Recently, I watched one movie, Spider-Man. So there was a very one statement or dialogue given by Spider-Man because Spider-Man getting powers. So in last he said, with great powers comes great responsibility. He said, with great powers comes great responsibility. When you go on top level position in management, as a CEO, as a CFO, whatever, or director, then you have power, but as compared to power, you have more responsibility. How will you manage? Okay? So, wishing you all the best for your future examination, for your careers. Okay, thank you.